value of an architect is clearly, as Warren Buffett says, defined by the customer, not the sales. So I would say that experienced team is of typically of high value. But all right, so next slide. Last is unique Michigan code considerations. As many of you know, as cultivators in Michigan, we control the license. The license controls the plant count, and that has a significant impact on how facilities are designed because that translation of program into space. So whether you're taking and dedicating plant counts in moms or whether you are taking your clippings from veg plants can have a huge effect on layout.